Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of friction stir welding of two polymer parts, the ABS material, and you can see here this is the temperature distribution control here, and this is the rotational tool, and these two plates are the ABS materials filled with ABS material. This part is the Eulerian part and the tool is Lagrangian part. And you can see here the maximum temperature reaches in this simulation is 90 degree, and the melting temperature for these two parts is around 100 degree. And this is the temperature distribution. We can see the plastic strain. This is the plastic strain, and we can request nodal temperature, stress, or everything which we need, and we can use unique nodal to draw diagrams for each variable. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, click on blue sun or title, or if you can't find it, put just some of these words in the search section, and then you will find it. So you will have this title, short explanation about the geometry process, material modeling step interaction, and then the results here. And there are three important points at the end, and it is the file contains CEL and English video file step by step, and the cost is $32. If you have bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you haven't bitcoins, you can pay it with PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for your attention.